Hey guys, welcome to Cora Radar, your one-stop shop for tips and tricks in the digital world. Today we'll talk about how to fix an iPhone not opening websites. So, you try to open web pages but iPhone refuses to let the web pages load in Safari. It just opens to a white blank page with a progress bar loading partway then hanging, leaving you a back button to hit. When the issue starts happening, you try to close the app then reopen it. However, the iPhone won't open websites again, which signals that something is wrong. To save you out, we've explained the possible causes and offered some feasible solutions here so that you can access the website again. Why is your iPhone not opening websites? Whether there are specific or all websites not loading content, let's quickly look at some common reasons. There is a network issue. The device's operating system is malfunctioning or reaches its storage limit. The browsers like Safari may encounter issues such as too much cache, disabled JavaScript, or active extensions causing conflicts. The system date on the device isn't set correctly. Now, let's walk through the tricks to attempt when you can't open websites on an iPhone. They work for all iPhone models running from older iOS versions like iOS 12 to later iOS versions like iOS 26. Besides, if you have any questions, write it down in the comment below and we'll reply to you within 24 hours. 1. Check the network. Once you're sure the URL is correct, the easiest place to start troubleshooting is with the network. If the iPhone is on public Wi-Fi like a coffee shop or airport, consider moving the device to different areas or using a home network for strong signals. If your iPhone still will not open websites, switch to use the cellular data that has a good signal strength. In the case that you're using a VPN connection, disable it. If needed, enabling airplane mode or a reset of the network settings can help refresh the connection. To test if these network-related tricks work, revisit the web page on your iPhone and see if it can open and load correctly. 2. Check the website status. If your iPhone can't access the website and finally says a server not found error, the site could experience an outage. To confirm, check other resources like social media for reports related to websites not loading fully issues or use a free website status checker tool online. If the website is down, reach out to the website administrator to fix the page loading issue. If it's functioning well, proceed to the next method. 3. Reboot your iPhone. In some cases, the iPhone Safari browser says this site cannot be reached when opening websites, but they work well in other devices like an Android phone. If you have the same trouble, do a simple reboot to solve the glitched software. To restart your iPhone, press and hold both the volume up and power buttons for a few seconds. For older models like iPhone 8, simply press and hold the power button for a while. This will bring up the power off screen. Drag the slider all the way to the right and your iPhone will shut down. After waiting for 1 minute, press and hold all iPhone's power button until it shows an Apple logo and intends to boot up. Once started, the website should open and load in Safari on your iPhone now. To avoid any potential issues, make sure the web browser and the device itself are fully up to date. 4. Use another browser app. If there are a handful of websites that you can't access via Safari only, test the site on a different browser like Chrome, DuckDuckGo, etc. If the new browser allows the web pages to open and load the content, then the issue is with the settings of Safari. Just move to the following solutions to attempt them one by one until you find the culprits. 5. Delete browsing history data. The browser's saved cache, cookies, and history data could affect website loading. To rule it out, clear all of them using the following instructions. Navigate to Settings from your iPhone's home screen. Scroll all the way down to Tap Apps. Next, use the alphabetical search bar to locate the Safari app, then tap it. Find and tap Clear History and Website Data. Tick All History and tap Clear History. It'll start clearing the website data, then finish within seconds. After that, see if the page loads correctly on your iPhone this time. 6. Enable JavaScript. JavaScript makes sense in powering essential features and functions on many modern websites. For them, if JavaScript is disabled, the iPhone can't load any web pages on all networks. To check it out, go to Settings. Scroll all the way down to Tap Apps. Use the alphabetical search bar to locate the Safari app, then tap it. Scroll all the way down and tap Advanced. Locate the JavaScript. If it's disabled, tap the toggle to turn it on so that the browser now can allow the website to open and load dynamic content and interactive features. 7. Toggle off Safari extensions. Many users rely on browser extensions to enhance productivity, privacy, and their browsing experience. While helpful, These extensions or third-party plugins may cause errors that stop the iPhone from opening or loading websites. To troubleshoot this issue, try to turn off all of them. In Settings, scroll all the way down to Tap Apps. Find and tap Safari, then choose Extensions. Tap the active extension, and tap the switch next to allow extension to turn it off. Then, open a browser and test if you can open and load a web page on iPhone now. 8. See how much free storage space is available. To open a website and load the full content on the page, browsers like Safari need enough space to download and store temporary files like HTML, CSS, images, and other assets. If your iPhone has little memory, no web pages will load on any browser on your iPhone. So, time to check your device's space. Go to Settings, tap General, choose iPhone Storage. In the following screen, look at the top right corner to view the available and total capacity. If there is less than 5 GB of free memory left, then it's time to spare more space for use. To do that, first review the apps taking up the most space and clear the cache inside apps. Next, delete unneeded items like apps, photos, videos, messages, and so on. Now, it should help the website load and open properly on your iPhone. 9. Make sure date and time is set correctly. If the Safari browser is not opening the website on iPhone because it does not trust the certificate, the date and time settings might be to blame. As the system clock is vital for web browsers to check the validity of a website's security certificate. To fix this, open Settings and tap General. Scroll down a little bit and tap Date and Time. Enable the Set Automatically option. This will guarantee that your device aligns with the time zone of your current location. Now, try to open the website again to see if it can load the content fully on your iPhone. And there you have it, folks. We've reached the end of our video on how to fix websites not loading or opening on iPhone. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in getting the web pages open again. If you did, please consider liking and buying this video a super thanks. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more tech-related content. Until next time.